Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the workshop on ICCB program review. My name is Kurian T Executive Director, Research and Institutional Effectiveness. And with me here this afternoon are MaryLou Murphy, Julio Delgado, and Brice Antoni, all from research. So we are going to take about an hour to go through the information we want to present, but anytime you have a question, please do ask that question at that time. So clear your questions, clear your doubts as we proceed. So with that, what's going to be the agenda? Here, the first 5 minutes or so, I'm going to talk about the purpose of these reviews, the process, and the schedule. So it's going to take about 5 minutes probably. Then MaryLou is going to take up from there, talking about the detailed purpose, what should be your approach to these reviews, and then go into the details of different templates. Again, we may not be discussing all the templates, depending on who is represented here. We might adjust the number of templates we will be discussing here in the interest of time. So with that, so what's the purpose of these reviews, what we call ICCB program reviews? Certainly, we are doing it because the state mandates it. That's one reason. So it's there in the law. It's the Illinois State Public Community College Act says that all the programs offered at the community colleges and all the support programs have to be reviewed once every 5 years. So that's one reason. But the most important reason is it's going to benefit the institution, and specifically the area or the department that's doing the review. So really speaking, it's about us. It's about making decisions, changing things so that we can improve our programs. So when we talk about improving the program, especially the state is interested because they want to see that the communities in the state receive or have quality instructional programs and programs that are relevant to their community, and also programs that are affordable to the